How to calibrate coffee and milk on the Egro MoDe. All calibrations can be done in the Technician menu. To start, log into the Tech menu found by pressing on the human icon in the top right corner of the screen. The Technician password is 1849. Calibrating the grinder. Go into the Calibrations menu. Select Grinders and Coffee. Grinder adjustment allows you to open or close the burrs. To open, increase the amount. To close, decrease the amount. Grinder calibration allows you to calibrate your coffee dose. To calibrate one of the grinders, select the icon to the right of the grinder you would like to adjust. You will first be instructed to open the front door and empty the grounds drawer. Using a scale, tar the grounds bin so that the scale reads 0 when placed upon. Put the grounds bin back into the mode. Confirm. The left grinder will now grind a dose into the grounds bin to perform a volumetric measure. The mode will give you an output that it has measured. Open the door, take out the grounds bin, and place the bin on top of the scale. Check to see if the weight on the scale matches the weight on the machine. If there is any discrepancy, adjust the machine so that it reads the same weight as the one on the scale. Hit apply, and your grinder is calibrated. Blade calibration is only necessary when the blades are being installed or replaced. On the second page of the Grinders and Coffee menu, you will find your coffee settings. This includes settings for boiler temperature, group head heat, ground value, and auto rinse time. On the third page, you will find your pre-infusion settings. Here, you can calibrate when the pump turns on and off for pre-infusion. On the fourth page, you can calibrate your brewing unit. This is typically performed during service. Milk and foam calibration. From the calibration menu, press Milk and Foam. Here, you can calibrate and set recipes. On the first page, you will find a list of pre-programmed milk calibrations. To adjust or check a calibration, hit the Edit button to the right. From here, press the gears to the right of milk calibration. Take a volumetric granulated pitcher and place under the spout. Hit OK. You will find on the screen your milk and foam recipe. Hit Start, and the machine will begin its brewing cycle. After the milk has brewed, you can assess the recipe and if there are any changes you would like to make to the milk or foam. Hit Apply, then Save. You've now calibrated your Egro MoDe.